Maintaining the quality of the braking system is of the utmost importance to provide a sufficient and stable braking force in all conditions. Performance, reliability and durability through repeated usage is imperative. Additionally, the braking system must provide optimum performance and excellent strength in all conditions. In this video, we replace the front brake pads and discs on the Subaru XV. Before replacing these components, you should always inspect the brake fluid level, check its condition, and replace if necessary. To begin the front brake pad and disc replacement process, raise the vehicle and remove the wheels. Inspect the rims and tyres for any abnormal wear or damage. All surrounding parts and components should be inspected as well. These include steering and suspension parts, brake hoses and pipes. Worn suspension parts can cause a vibration when braking, and defective shock absorbers can extend braking distances. Unbolt the brake caliper and secure it with a suitable retaining hook, ensuring there is no excess strain on the brake hose. Remove the worn brake pads from the caliper carrier, then unbolt and remove the carrier from the hub. Remove the brake disc by inserting two M8x1.25 bolts into the disc and, without using excessive force, tighten the bolts to release it from the hub. Thoroughly clean the wheel hub and ensure all corrosion is removed, as an uneven surface can lead to issues such as brake vibration. Once removed, inspect the old brake discs and pads for wear patterns, as this can give you an indication of underlying faults with adjacent components. Clean and inspect the caliper carrier. Check for damage and pay particular attention to the operation of the caliper slider guides, checking for signs of wear and damage along the way. Now reassemble all parts and fit the new brake disc, making sure any oil-based protective coating is cleaned off before fitting. Secure the new brake disc with two wheel nuts and use a dial gauge to inspect for disc runout, ensuring there is no excessive disc thickness variation. Retract the brake caliper pistons ready for the new brake pads to be installed. Refit the brake caliper carrier, ensuring all bolts are correctly tightened. Then apply ceramic paste to the contact surfaces of the brake pads, being careful not to get any on the friction surfaces. The new brake pads should fit easily into the carriers without the need to apply any force. Refit the brake caliper, ensuring that all fixings are tightened to the correct torque. Next, refit the wheels and lower the vehicle before tightening the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Depress the brake pedal several times until normal pedal pressure is felt. Check the brake fluid level and top up as necessary. Finally, take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the correct operation of the braking system.